everybody, welcome to Technology and Toys, and today's video is going to be an unboxing of Hokonui's new 10,000 milliamp hour wireless portable charger. You guys might remember I did a review on their first wireless portable charger, which I have right here. I did an unboxing and a review on it, which I'll have linked there. And it's been doing pretty good. It's got a couple cracks and dings, but it's been thoroughly used and abused over the past couple months. And this is their newest one. I was scrolling through Amazon and saw that they made a brand new one, and I asked them if they'd like to send it out to me so I could do this video, and they said yes. So we're going to take a look inside the box, and you're greeted with your power bank user manual, and it basically tells you everything about it. How to charge this product, charge other digital products, specifications and warranty and whatnot. So I'll put that off to the side. You get a rather small USB Type A to micro USB charging cable for the battery itself. And now, without further ado, we'll take a look at the battery itself. Take it out of this little plastic baggie, put everything else back in the box, close it up, and put it off to the side for right now, and we can focus on the battery itself. Now, compared to the old one, it's about the exact same size, the exact same width. I got the red one so it could stand out from this one. The text on the bottom is pretty much the same. You still have your phone stand for when you're charging stuff and you want to watch something. Your power button is still on the side. If you press it, it'll turn on and tell you how much battery you have. And then the biggest change is obviously on the front. Instead of it being plastic with this kind of tackier plastic ring on it and a very, very small plastic window up here, you have a full plastic, almost glass-like finish on it, and there's plastic on it. So here is their new and improved battery. Same power capacity, same interface as far as your percentage and your in and outputs. But I'm really digging this whole plastic body. It looks really nice. It feels really nice. It's gonna pick up a lot more fingerprints, as you can already see right there. I've got a bunch of smears all over it, and it works pretty much the same as the other one. So if I turn them both on, I grab my phone and I put it down, it starts wirelessly charging on one. I put it down on the new one, it starts charging like it did on the other one. It will charge no matter what position you put it in, and you can see you're charging 5 volts, 2.1 amps, and it's the same as this one. And you also, on both of them, have 2 USB Type A ports and a micro USB port to charge them, and it works just the same as any other power bank. Let me grab a lightning cable real quick. Have the cable plugged in, plug my phone in, and it starts charging like any other generic run-of-the-mill power bank would. So that's been the unboxing of the new Hokonui wireless power bank. I'm going to have a review coming on this very soon. I just want to be able to thoroughly use it and hopefully maybe not abuse it like I did with this one. It's been dropped and flung and sat on, specifically sat on several times, and it still works. They come in a black and red finish, whereas the old one came in black and white. I really wanted the white, but that's fine. If you still want the white one, you can still buy the other one. But this one just looks a lot sexier, especially with the red. I don't know what it is. I just like the red a lot. But as I just said, I'll have a review on this coming soon-ish, and I'll let you guys know how it's held up for me and if you guys should buy it. But guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, as well as turning on post notifications so that way you get notified whenever I upload another video. This has been Jake from Technology and Toys, and until the next video, guys, goodbye.